Hello folks, Paul from Gorak Tech. I'm doing a tech tip today on simulation, looking at aspect ratio in your studies. Aspect ratio will affect the quality of what you get out for results. And if we look at the Solidworks help, you want to probably check this out if you're running simulation. You're looking for elements that look balanced, like the first one, not these long sliver types. And they have a way for scaling those. Let me show the two studies first, and then I'll go into the ratios, and that will end it. So this first study, I've got a bracket here with a really thin gusset, and if you zoom in, it almost doesn't even look like elements. It looks like little knife slices. Let's make note of the stresses. Just under 14,000 psi, displacement just under 40 thousandths, and that's on a 1-inch area out here. Look at the study with mesh control. The same loading, we've got a maximum stress of 18,446 psi and a displacement of 47. So this is less stiff. Bad elements with bad ratios tend to be stiffer, which creates a misleading study. Now, if we look at mesh quality plot, that's something you can add here when you run a study. Right click and then create mesh quality plot. We've got a maximum of 8, which is good. You want to be below 8 or 10. That's longer than a tech tip here, but that's a good rule. Look at the mesh quality plot for the course study, and we go to maximum of 19. So with added mesh control, what we do is we try to run a lot of the study coarse, because that really cuts down your element size, which I'm not going into here, but it makes a big difference. So I went through and I picked the thin face and all the fillets. And by being aware of those mesh quality plots, and do you have a good mesh, that gives you a good framework for proceeding forward and having confidence in your study. Thank you.